So we are at a very cold and blustery Santa Pod. We've got the Pod takeover shop here at JapFest, and we've got an interesting car that's come to be on display on the Liberty Walk stand, the Suzuki Jimny. Now, this car was the first Jimny built in Europe. It was built for a Suzuki main dealer, and it was their demonstrator back in late 2018. This was on our stand at Auto Sports Show in 2019, and now it's owned by Waterfield Adventures. So how long have you owned the car?
We've had it about 3 years now.
About 3 years?
Yeah, it was originally bought for my wife as her daily car, for her and a little bulldog, and now we're sort of bringing it to shows and enjoying it and loving the fact that it's unique.
It is very unique, and you was out in Belgium with us a couple of weeks ago at GR8 show.
Yeah, that was an awesome time, absolutely wonderful. That was our first major car show we went to, which was really good, and it sort of gave us more of the bug to keep going.
Well, yeah, since you got back from Belgium only a couple of weeks ago, you've done some more modifications to the Jimny.
Yes, just a little. We had to we put a Remus exhaust on it, and we've also put a forged air filter in it as well.
So it's got a full intake and the Remus, the valve system.
Yeah, the Triptronic valve system that it's got on there. So yeah, it's all on a remote, so it keeps the neighbours happy as well as when we get to shows making a bit of noise.
Is there any other plans for it? I seen an Instagram post you was debating a roof rack.
Yeah, we're thinking about putting the roof rack back on or not, and we're like, do we or don't we? We're going to put a turbo kit on it next year when the manufacturer's warranty is out.
Nice.
And then we'll just see what else we're going to get on with.
Turbocharged. It always should have been turbocharged, I think.
Should have been.
So this kit was the full the kit. So it is the top rear spoiler, the front light bar, of course the wide fenders. We went for the Liberty Walk forged wheels.
Yeah, it's a full set of 5.
And the bonnet as well. So it was the full kit, and it looks immaculate. It's such good condition. Like, it's clean.
Yeah.
Is that your doing?
It is. It's a few hours in the garage, and we've got it all nice and clean, and all the majority of the marks of it out. And yeah, spend a bit of time on it, and it looks just lovely now.
So I said, I think we need a tow bar on this, because I can imagine the Jimny towing our little AZ1, the LB40, and I think that would look a great combo.
Oh, that would be absolutely amazing. I think it looks so cool. That's definitely something we should do. Definitely.
Excellent. Well, that'll be rocking up at a show, maybe, being towed by the Jimny. I'd love to see that. Okay, so the next time we're probably going to see this is at Gravity Show in August. So if you want to see this Jimny in the flesh, make sure you're at Gravity. And I'd just like to say thank you very much, and it's really great to have another member of the Liberty Walk family.
Yeah, thank you very much, and we look forward to doing some more work.
Perfect.
Sorry, that was a bit weird.